Imagine sitting in a coffee shop with just your phone in hand, no laptop, no USB stick, no external hard drive, and within seconds, you're controlling your full desktop computer from hundreds of miles away. Your files, your software, your exact setup, accessible from any screen, anywhere in the world. Welcome to the remote desktop revolution of 2025, where powerful cloud tools, remote management apps, and next-gen devices have completely redefined what it means to work and create from anywhere. But here's the thing. This technology isn't just for IT departments anymore. It's not some niche geek trick. Today, remote desktop access is being used by freelancers, students, creators, developers, gamers, and even families to turn smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and even public kiosks into full-fledged digital workstations. So in this video from TechWave 65, we're going to unlock how to access your desktop remotely from any screen, what tools are the most powerful and secure, and how to set up your own remote workspace that follows you like a digital shadow, no matter where you are. Now first, let's talk about why this matters more than ever in 2025. We're in a world where hybrid work is normal, devices are always changing, and flexibility is king. You might be at home one day, in an airport the next, and on vacation while a client demands urgent revisions. Or maybe you're editing 4K footage from your Mac studio, but all you have with you is your iPad. Or your Android phone. Or your smart TV. That's where remote desktop software comes in. It lets you access your primary computer's desktop, with all its files, apps, and resources, from any other device with a screen and an internet connection. And I don't mean just viewing. I mean controlling, drag, drop, edit, export, upload, print, compile code, run AI models, even play full PC games, all remotely. But here's the catch. Not all remote access tools are created equal. Some are clunky. Some are slow. Some are insecure. So let's break down the best options available right now, how to set them up, and what screen types you can realistically use. Starting with the gold standard, AnyDesk. This ultra-fast, low-latency remote desktop solution is beloved by IT pros, but also perfect for creators and casual users. Why? Because it offers native apps for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, even Raspberry Pi. It supports file transfer, multi-display support, clipboard sync, and blazing fast mouse input. Setup is simple. Install AnyDesk on your main desktop, set a password, and install the companion app on your phone, tablet, or second device. Log in, enter your address, and boom! Your desktop is in your pocket. And the best part? It works even on mobile networks. I've controlled my full desktop from a 4G signal in the middle of a park. Want free and simple? Try Chrome Remote Desktop. Google's tool lets you access your computer through any Chrome browser. You install a lightweight extension, authenticate it with your Google account, and now you can log in from any browser, including on a Chromebook or another desktop. It's not as feature-rich as AnyDesk, but it's incredibly easy to set up and integrates perfectly with Google services. Then there's Microsoft Remote Desktop, ideal if you're deep in the Windows ecosystem. It's enterprise-grade, fast, and supports high-resolution streaming, multi-monitor views, and even hardware-accelerated graphics. It's perfect for connecting to Windows 10 or 11 Pro machines from Surface tablets, iPads, or other Windows PCs. Now for Apple users, there's macOS Screen Sharing and Apple Remote Desktop, but they're limited in flexibility and platform access. Instead, Mac users often pair AnyDesk or Chrome Remote with their machines to get cross-platform functionality. What about gaming? Enter Parsec, a low-latency remote access app built for gamers and creatives. You can play demanding PC games, edit video, use Adobe tools, or run 3D modeling apps, from a tablet or even a smart TV, with 60 FPS streaming and controller support. Parsec is a game-changer for creators who need GPU power but want to travel light. Developers? Use Versus Code's remote extensions to code on your home server from a browser or mobile. Or set up an SSH server with Tailscale and access everything securely from anywhere without exposing ports. For power users, build a cloud desktop using a service like Shadow, Tech or Paperspace. You log into a virtual Windows or Linux machine from any screen, and it runs 24/7 in the cloud, no hardware needed. Even AWS EC2 or Microsoft Azure can be configured to host a persistent dev machine or render farm you access through your browser. But let's get practical. How does this work on a phone or tablet? Here's what I do. On my iPhone or Android, I install AnyDesk. I pair a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, or use a foldable keyboard like the Logitech Keys to Go. Then I plug the phone into a monitor or use it on a tablet stand. Within seconds, I'm logged into my full desktop, editing 4K videos, replying to email, even running Stable Diffusion AI tools, all from a device that fits in my pocket. On an iPad Pro with Stage Manager or Samsung DeX mode, you basically turn your tablet into a full desktop terminal, with access to everything on your home machine. Public screen? No problem. Go to a hotel smart TV with a web browser, open Chrome Remote Desktop, log in securely, and access your machine. Use a portable Bluetooth keyboard. Boom! You're working. At an internet cafe or on a friend's computer? Just log into your remote dashboard, no files stored locally. Fully secure, fully encrypted. Speaking of security, always use two-factor authentication. Always use strong, unique passwords. Use a VPN when connecting remotely, or use tools like Tailscale or ZeroTier to create a secure tunnel between devices. Don't open public ports. Don't rely on default credentials. Cloud access is powerful, but it's your responsibility to secure it. Now let's talk speed. Remote access is only as good as your connection. For smooth 1080p performance, aim for at least 10 megabits per second upload on your home machine. 20 to 50 megabits per second is better for 4K workflows. Use Ethernet where possible. Use H.264 or H.265 compression for video. On mobile, Wi-Fi 6 or 5G will give you the best experience. And now, use cases. Students can use remote access to run school software that only works on Windows, from a Chromebook or tablet. Creators can edit raw media on a home rig while traveling light. Developers can push code and compile apps from their phone. Families can help each other with tech support remotely. Businesses can onboard employees without shipping full machines, just give them remote access credentials. You can run a full YouTube channel, manage your video editing business, or even stream games from your powerful home PC to a $200 Android tablet. That's what makes 2025 incredible. The power of your setup doesn't live in your bag. It lives in the cloud, or in your home office, or your desktop at work, and you just beam into it from wherever you are. It's Iron Man tech for real life. So if you've ever been frustrated by the limits of mobile devices, or worried about leaving your laptop behind, or wished you could just reach back into your desktop from anywhere in the world, now you can. The tools are here. The speeds are real. The screens are everywhere. And if you set it up right, your workspace is never more than a few clicks away. Welcome to the new remote revolution, where your desktop follows you, your power stays with you, and your freedom grows. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.